Hi friends, welcome you all. Today we are going to learn social science, history, lesson 2, human evolution. Today it will be very fun and easy to learn history and learn more about it. Now we can get inside the video. Now we can enter into the first Roman letter, that is fill in the blanks. The first question is, the Paleolithic age is called the dash. The answer is Old Stone Age. The second question is, deposits of ash have been found in the dash. The answer is Karnol Caves. The third question is, most of all the Paleolithic sites in India have been found in the dash region. The answer is Deccan region. The fourth question is, tools in the Paleolithic period were predominated made of dash. The answer is stone. The fifth question is, dash and dash were hobbies of the Paleolithic humans. The answer is hunting and gathering. This is an image that is early humans hunting an elephant. The sixth question is, prehistoric people were cave dash. The answer is dwellers. The seventh question is, the word paleos means dash and lithos means dash. The answer is paleos means old and lithos means stone. The eighth question is, the Stone Age is divided into dash, dash and dash. The answer is Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. The ninth question is, early people painted on the dash of the caves. The answer is walls. The 10th question is, the Karnol Caves were first excavated by the British anthropologist dash. The answer is Robert Bruce Foote. The 11th question is, small groups of men, women and who lived together and moved from place to place is called dash. The answer is bands. The 12th question is, the word mesos means dash and neos means dash. The answer is mesos means middle and neos means new. The next question is, stone tools are divided into dash, dash and dash. The answer is core tools, flake tools and blade tools. The next question is, Homo habilis is also called dash. The answer is handyman. This is an image of stone tools used by early humans. The next question is, dash is capable of taking a person backwards or forwards in time. The answer is time machine. The next question is, dash is a gradual change leading to a more advanced development. The answer is evolution. The next question is, animal that hunt and kills other living things for food or dash. The answer is predator. The next question is, dash is the impression of the foot of a person or an animal. The answer is footprints. The next question is, herdsmen without any fixed home moving about in search of pastures for their cattle or dash. The answer is nomadic. The next question is, exchange of goods without involving money is called dash. The answer is barter. The next question is, an animal that is hunted and killed by another for food is called dash. The answer is prey. The next question is, dash is the study of humans and evolutionary history. The answer is anthropology. The next question is, Dash is the study of prehistory humans, remained materials used by prehistoric humans. The answer is archaeology. The next question is, human used dash to make fire. The answer is flint stone. The answer is flint stone. The next question is, the invention of wheel by humans is considered to be a dash invention. The answer is foremost invention. The next question is, humans learned to make pot with dash. The answer is clay. This is an image of clay pot used by early humans. The next question is, the rock paintings give information about the dash. The answer is past. The next question is, humans with the help of flint stone made dash. The answer is sharp weapons. The next question is, harpoons and spear throwers were used by dash. The answer is Cro-Magnons. The next question is, when early people found ways to increase production, they started dash. The answer is storing the produce. The next question is, the invention of dash made pot making easier. The answer is wheel. The next question is, towns and cities emerged because of the dash and dash. The answer is trade and commerce. The next question is, dash is related to the field of archaeology. The answer is excavation. The next question is, the practice of agriculture was made easier by dash. The answer is oxen. The next question is, there were many dangers involved in dash. The answer is hunting. The next question is, plants grow faster in dash areas. The answer is water fed. The next question is, the pots were dashed to make it stronger. The answer is burnt. The next question is, Chikimukki Kal is known for its dash. The answer is strength duality. The next question is, human procreation resulted in an increase in the dash. The answer is population. The next question is, dash was done for immediate food requirement. The answer is agriculture. The next question is, dash have unearthed the footprints of humans in a country called Tanzania. The answer is anthropologist. The next question is, the process of evolution is dash. The answer is gradual. The next question is, Tanzania is situated in the continent of dash. The answer is Africa. The next question is, millions of years ago, our ancestors led a dash life. The answer is nomadic life. The next question is, the invention of dash made farming easier. The answer is plow. The next question is, rock paintings are found at dash in Nilgiris. The answer is Karigayur. The next question is, dash had the knowledge of fire. The answer is Homo erectus. The next question is, dash was the first animal to be domesticated by the early humans. The answer is dog. The next question is, Lascaux caves in France is the evidence for cave living of dash. The answer is Cro-Magnons. The next question is, evidences are seen at Neanderthal is in dash. The answer is Germany. The answer is Germany. This is an image of Lascau's cave paintings. Now we have entered into the second Roman letter, that is, match the statement with reason, tick the appropriate answer. Here they have given statement and reason, and below they have given some options. We should tick the appropriate answer with among the statement and reason. First we can read it. Statement: migration of man of different parts of the world resulted in changes of physique and color. The reason is climatic changes. Option A, statement is correct. Option B, reason is wrong. Option C, statement and reason is correct. Option D, statement and reason is wrong. The answer is option C, statement and reason is correct. The second question, statement: the story of human evolution can be scientifically studied with the help of archaeology and anthropology. Reason: excavated material remains are the main source of our archaeological studies. Option A, statement is correct, reason is wrong. Option B, reason is correct, statement is wrong. Option C, statement and reason are correct. Option D, statement and reason are wrong. The answer is option C, statement and reason are correct. The third question is statement: early man's main occupation was hunting. Reason: due to large-scale hunting, many animals become extinct. Option A, statement is true, reason is wrong. Option B, reason is true, statement is wrong. Option C, statement and reason both are wrong. Option D, both statement and reasons are true. The answer is option D, both statement and reason are correct. The next question is statement: man denoted to stay close to the riverside. Reason: the land close to the river side was suitable for farming. Option A, statement is wrong, reason is true. Option B, reason is true, statement is wrong. Option C, statement and reason both are wrong. Option D, both statement and reason are true. The correct answer is option C, both statement and reason are true. Now we have get inside the third Roman letter. Find out the right pair. The first question is option A, Australopithecus walked on both legs. Option B, Homo habilis, upright man. Option C, Homo erectus, wise man. Option D, Homo sapiens, less protruding face. Here they have given 4 options. In these options, only one pair is correct and other pairs are wrong. So we should find the right pair. The answer is option A, Australopithecus walked on both legs. Here the correct pair, right pair is Australopithecus walked on both legs. Now we have get inside another Roman letter, that is 4th Roman letter. Find out the wrong pair. Here they have given 4 options. Here we should find the wrong pair. The first option is nomadic, no fixed home. Option B, barter, exchange of goods. Option C, heights, bark of a tree. Option D, million, 10 lakhs. The answer is option C, heights, barks of a tree. The wrong pair is option C, heights, barks of the tree. The second question is option A, Homo erectus, China. Option B, Cro-Magnons, France. Option C, Homo sapiens, Africa. Option D, Heidelberg's, London. The correct answer is option A, Homo erectus, China. The wrong pair is option A, Homo erectus, China. The third question is option A, ancestors, nomadic life. Option B, beehives, honey. Option C, axes, big stones. Option D, wheel, no use. The wrong pair is option D, wheel, no use. Now we have get inside another Roman letter, that is 5th Roman letter. State true or false. The first question is anthropology is the study of coins. The answer is false. The second question is Homo erectus, Java man, had the knowledge of fire. The answer is true. The third question is the first scientific invention of humans was wheel. The answer is true. The fourth question is goat was the first animal to be domesticated by humans. The answer is false. The next question is fire was used early man to destroy the forest. The answer is false. The next question is rock paintings are not informative. The answer is false. The next question is humans domesticated hens, goats and cows after domesticating dog. The answer is true. The next question is initially agriculture was done for immediate food requirement. The answer is true. The next question is initially humans expressed their feelings through actions. The answer is true. Now we have get inside the 6th Roman letter. Answer in one word. The first question is what method is used to find out the age of the excavated materials? The answer is radiocarbon dating method. The second question is what did early humans wear? The answer is hides of animals and barks of trees and leaves. The next question is which animal was used for plowing? The answer is oxen is used for plowing. The next question is where did early humans live? The answer is in caves. This is an image of caves that early humans lived. The next question is when did humans settle in one place? The answer is riverside farming stage. The next question is these people have unearthed the footprints of humans in a country called Tanzania. The answer is anthropologist. The 7th question is he is a Java man. The 7th question is he is a Java man who lived approximately 1.8 million years ago. The answer is Homo erectus. The next question is, he had a mix of human and ape traits with bipedal walk. The answer is Australopithecus. The next question is, keeping a stone with bottom and sharpening it with another stone is called dash. The answer is art of flaking. The next question is, this helps humans to protect them from predators. The answer is fire. The next question is, what is the use of clay pot? The answer is clay pot was useful for storing liquid and cooking. The next question is, which is the first plant to be grown in the agriculture? The answer is wheat and barley. The next question is, what is the first metal to be discovered? The answer is copper. I have given 80 questions. Study well, all the best, and finally, thank you all.